A grinding noise in a Hotpoint washer can be caused by several factors, including a damaged or strained pulley, a faulty tub bearing, or an issue with the agitator dogs. To address this issue, it's essential to examine each possible cause in depth and explore the corresponding solutions. A damaged or strained driver pulley can lead to grinding noises as the washer struggles to spin, and inspecting the pulley for wear and tear is crucial. If cracks or tears are found, replacing the pulley is necessary. A faulty tub bearing, which allows for smooth spinning of the tub during a cycle, can also cause grinding noises when it becomes rusty or worn out. In this case, replacing the tub and the bearing is required, and it's recommended to seek professional assistance to obtain legitimate parts and repairs. Additionally, the agitator dogs, which facilitate the rotating mechanism of the agitator, can undergo wear and tear over time, causing them to slip and produce a grinding noise. Replacing the agitator dogs can resolve this issue, and by identifying and addressing the underlying cause, the grinding noise in the Hotpoint washer can be effectively resolved.